Floods are one of the more common and expensive natural disasters that occur, and they can happen to anyone, whether you live in a floodplain or not.
Yeah, and Aaron Fields joins us now this morning for what questions you might want to ask when insuring your home. Aaron?
Yes, Tim, Alicia, while I'm not quite ready to buy my own home yet, I still found out some pretty interesting things that most people don't realize when buying home insurance. Home insurance policies vary in every state, and here in North Dakota, home insurance will cover tornadoes, hail, and most other severe weather, except for floods, which is why it's important to get properly insured. Flood insurance started as a FEMA project in the 1970s.
Homeowners' policies quickly became broke when paying for flood insurance, and then that's why FEMA and the government brought in the NFIP.
Most people buy flood insurance through the National Flood Insurance Program. It's an added cost, one that many people have trouble justifying because they don't think it will happen to them, which is why Rue says most people in North Dakota aren't properly insured. In fact, roughly 90% of her clients don't carry flood insurance.
That's the other thing about flood insurance is people don't think there's coverage, but there's actually a lot of coverage there.
A flooded basement can cost up to $25,000, which for her is reason enough to carry it.
People will often say that I don't have coverage for my basement, so why would I even carry the coverage? Well, you do. You have cleanup. You have coverage for your furnace, your hot water heater, for a freezer, a washer, a dryer. The biggest thing is the cleanup and water sewer backup in a basement with flood insurance.
Flood insurance is also important when selling a home.
Sometimes closing can be delayed because those repairs have to be gone through insurance, they have to be contracted out, and sometimes they have to be actually be completed before they can close on the home, or sometimes money is held back at the point of sale.
Rue adds to continually check your policies for changes in flood insurance and home insurance because they are constantly changing. The average cost for a low-risk flood insurance policy is $534 a year here in North Dakota, and Rue also tells me a sewer or sump pump endorsement on your policy does not mean you have coverage for floods, which most people often mistake. So really look into that. Alicia, you told me to have...
I live on a hill. I shouldn't have to worry about flooding, but maybe I need to look into it.
You do. What if the water tower just came down?
Well, that would be quite a story.
That's what Rue said. Yeah, you never know what will happen.
That's true. You never know. That's a good point. Thank you,
Very
Aaron.
true.
All right. Now, Amber, I think maybe has some idea of what might happen in the forecast, right?
I hope so. You know, can I get some insurance at all?
Forecast insurance?
Forecast
There we go.
Ooh, that might be a new industry.
I'm going to go into business with myself here on this one. Write that down.